Hello everyone, I'm going to show you what is called Python. So simple, type Python on the browser, go to downloads. The current version of the Python will be appeared here. Click on this. Python will be downloaded. Python has been downloaded. Click on open button and now install. It will take some time. Now Python has been installed successfully. Click on the close button. Open the command prompt and type Python --version. If Python is installed correctly, the version will be appeared here. Now the message is Python was not found. Now let's see what was the problem while installing. The problem is we did not set the Python variables and Python environment variables. So just we can set it manually, or can or the another thing we can do is just to uninstall the Python and then reinstall the Python by checking the option set path to environment variable. Now what we do is we will uninstall the program. You can see that Python has been uninstalled successfully. Close it and again reinstall the Python. Now before click on install now, must check add python.exe to path. This will help you to find to install Python, and this will also prevent you manually set up the path. It will automatically set up the path and Python will show in the command prompt. This is the mistake everybody has made. So we will wait while installing the Python. Now the Python has been installed successfully. Click on the close button. Now Python has been installed. Open the command prompt and type Python --version. Okay, what is the problem? Sorry, my mistake. All right, Python version 3.11.2 has been installed. The error Python was not found has been resolved, and this is the easiest way to resolve the error, because if we don't uninstall the Python and we don't check out the path set to environment variable, we will have to set up the environment variables manually, which is quite tricky, and we have to all right, that's all about